thank you Lord at blessing dumating si Baby Jade. And sobrang naging happy yung buong family namin. Hindi lang kami, but the whole family. And lahat sila katulong namin sa pag-aalaga kay Jade. So, thanks to our families also. Jade made us so happy.
Yung smile namin, talagang sobrang ngayon lang namin. Ako, at least ako, ngayon ko lang na feel yung every smile ko is parang worth it. Wala na akong, for lack of better term, parang worth it every smile.
Thank you, Lord, at binigyan ako ng mabait na anak. Hanggang paglaki mo sana, Jade, maging good boy ka, please. Tsaka sobrang sweet niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa namin para bigyan kami ni Lord ng ganyang kabait na anak. So, baby hanggang paglaki mo. Happy birthday, Bebe Love!
Happy birthday!
Anak, alam namin din po maintindihan to, pero habang lumalaki ka, papapanood namin to sa'yo. Ang wish ko para sa'yo ay, of course, lumaki ka mabuting bata, respectful, sweet, smart, loving to everyone around you. I'm sure mahal na mahal ka naman nila, but ma-reciprocate mo rin sa kanila lahat ng ginagawa nila for you. Also, thank you for making nanay and tatay and all your lolos and lolas happy. You bring so much joy to our family. Also, we promise to give you the best memories in life. I love you so much, anak.
Ako, ang wish ko lang kay Jade is for him to grow up as a mabuting tao. Yun lang talaga, wala akong ibang wini-wish para sa kanya. Napaka-generic no, napaka-broad, pero sana lahat ng makikita ng mga mata mo, anak, habang lumalaki ka is puro kabutihan at yun lang rin yung ibibigay mo sa kanila. Sana yung buhay mo, maniwala ka kay Lord, let Him guide you through your life, and yun lang ang kailangan mo, and matutupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Nanay is right, we promise to give you the best memories. Lalo na ngayong bata ka pa, kasi alam namin sooner or later, aayawan mo na kami kasama, pero habang bata ka, habang nakadepende ka sa amin fully, we'll give you the best memories of your life. We love you so much, and sana magkaroon ka ng kapatid. Yun lang, happy birthday, Baby Jade. Happy birthday, Baby Jade! We love you!